Welcome students. A very good morning all of you. This is your brain sir, and today in this video I'll cover pronoun, and this is a very interesting topics to all the students. So you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand it very good. And my dear friends, after watching you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is a definition of pronoun. So what is pronoun? Let's see. A pronoun is a word which replaces a noun to avoid its repetition is called pronoun. For example, Ram goes to school. He is a good boy. So my dear friends, he is a pronoun. So let's see the next one. So my dear friends, there are 8 kinds of pronouns. So first one is your personal pronoun, and the second one is your demonstrative pronoun, and the third one is your interrogative pronoun, and the fourth one is your relative pronoun, and the fifth one is your indefinite pronoun, and the sixth one is your reflexive pronoun, and the seventh is your intensive pronoun, and the eighth one is your adjective pronoun. So my dear friends, these are the types of pronouns. So you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next phase so that we can understand it very good. So here is the next phase of this video. Welcome back students. So here is your personal pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? Let's see. A personal pronoun a personal pronoun is a word which relates to a person is called personal pronoun. For example, he is reading his book. So you may also write here he, she, we, they in place of he. So these can be your personal pronoun like he, she, they, we. These are the personal pronouns. So let's see the next. As you know, there are 3 kinds of persons. So first one is your first person, second is your second person, third is your third person. So let's see the first one. So here is your first person. So it is the name of a speaker. Yes my dear friends, not a doer. It is the name of a speaker is called first person. So example is written here, I am speaking English. So my dear friends, I is first person. I is first person. So these are the example of your first person. So let's see the next paragraph of this video. Welcome guys once again. So here is your second person. So let's see its definition. What is second person? It's the name of listener is called second person. For example, you are listening a song. So my dear friends, in this sentence you is second person. So let's see the third person. What is your third person? So let's see. Third person, it's the name of non-active person is called third person. For example, he was singing a song. So my dear friends, in this sentence, he is third person. Yes, my dear friends, he is third person. So my dear friends, you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. And my dear friends, let's move on into the next page so that we can understand it very good. So my dear friends, here is a next phase of this video. Welcome back once again students. So here is a person. So let's see. As you know very well, there are 3 kinds of person. First one is the first person, second person and third person. So first person singular is your I, first person plural is your we, second person singular is you, and second person plural is you, and third person singular is he, she, it, and the third person plural is your they. So let's see the next. As you know very well, there are seven personal pronoun. So first example is here. You must see personal pronoun I, we, you, and the possessive pronoun is your, my, our, your, and the objective pronoun is me, us, your. So rest of the personal pronoun we will see in the next paragraph. and you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So let's move on into the next page so that we can understand it very good. Welcome guys once again. So here is your he, she, it, they. These are the example of personal pronoun, and the next one is your his, her, its, their. These are the example of possessive pronoun, and then next one is your him, her, it, them. These are the example of objective pronoun. So let's see the next definition, and next one is your demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? Let's see. A demonstrative pronoun points to and identifies a noun or a pronoun is called demonstrative pronoun. For example, this is a pen, that is a pen, these are pens, and those are pens. So these are the example of demonstrative pronouns. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next page. Welcome students. So let's see. So here this that is used to indicate the singular noun, and the singular noun can be your near, and that is used to indicate the singular noun, and this noun can be far, and this that is used to indicate the plural noun, but this plural noun can be your near, and those that is used to indicate the plural noun, and the plural noun can be your far. So let's see the next definition. Here is the next definition of interrogative pronoun. So what is interrogative pronoun? Let's see. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask the questions is called interrogative pronoun. For example, who wrote the Ramayana? So here who is interrogative pronoun. So my dear friends, what, whom, who, which, etc. These are the example of interrogative pronoun. So you must write these all things. So let's see the relative pronouns. It's used to link one phrase or clause to another phrase or clause is called relative pronoun. So let's move on into the next phase. Welcome students. So let's see its definition. So definition is your relative pronoun. Here, I know the man who lives next door. So here in this sentence here, he who is relative pronoun. Who, which, whose, whom, that, etc. These are the example of relative pronouns. So you must write these all things. So let's see the next definition, indefinite pronoun. So what is indefinite pronoun? Let's see. It's a pronoun which refers to an indefinable but not a specific person or things is called indefinite pronoun. So for example, give a pen package to each. So here in this sentence, each is indefinite pronoun. So my dear friends, many, everything, everybody, everyone, another, any, few, etc. These are the example of indefinite pronoun. So you must write these all things so that you can understand it very good. So let's move on. Welcome guys once again. So my dear friends, here is a reflexive pronoun. Questions number 6, reflexive pronoun. So what is reflexive pronoun? Let's see. It's a pronoun which can refer back to the subject of the clause or sentence is called reflexive pronoun. For example, I asked myself to write a letter. So in this sentence, myself is a reflexive pronoun. So my dear friends, myself, yourself, herself, himself, themselves, etc. These are the example of reflexive pronoun. So let's see the 7 questions number 7. What is your intensive pronoun? Let's see. It's a pronoun which is used to emphasize. Emphasize is called intensive pronoun. For example, I myself believe that I can do it. So my dear friends, here in this sentence myself is an intensive pronoun. So let's see in the next page. Welcome students. So this is your last page of this video. So you must write this all things in your note copy. So first one is your subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive pronoun. Sorry, possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, our, yours, theirs. Reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, themself. So you must write this all things so that you can understand it very good. So let's see the next definition of your adjective pronoun. So what is your adjective pronoun? Let's see. It's used to change the proper noun into an adjective. Noun is called adjective pronoun. So first example is your India, Indian, America, American. So my dear friends, Indian, American, these are the example of adjective pronoun. So it's over for today and see you again in the next video, students. Till then, bye bye.